Video is intended to instruct you on how to utilize the Microf option within the program, assuming that your company is eligible for Microf rent-to-own, the rent-to-own program. So we're going to start with a proposal. We're going to start by clicking on Create Proposal, and I'm going to choose an existing template. And you'll see here I've built some templates that have Mycroft options in there. I'm going to choose a 3-ton Create Proposal from template. First thing I'm going to do is select my customer. And then my sales rep. And I'm going to click Save. So once I've clicked Saved, I'm going to see the proposal in my list. I'm going to edit this proposal. I can either edit here or over here. We'll edit on the side. And you'll notice that the title is here. We can change the title if we want to. We'll go down and we'll notice here's our equipment. We can load our AHRI to make sure that our AHRI is loaded for this these matchups. And down at the bottom near the financing, you're going to notice a place where you can choose if this is a Mycroft job. So by clicking this, it will give you a drop-down box for the application that works for this particular system. I'm going to choose heat pump system, fan and coil, and I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and click Save. Now once I've gone through the selling process and I'm ready to apply for Mycroft rent-to-own program, I can always print from the hard copy. And you're going to notice that the Microf option is listed here and the payment is actually gone. So when the customer's ready to make the decision, what you'll do is just go back to the edit proposal. You will choose, we won the job. You choose your close date. You choose the option that they want and you click Save. Now once you've clicked Save, you'll notice that the customer's grayed out, everything else is grayed out so you can't change it. But once I go to my hard copy, you'll notice that the only one that's available now to view is the one that we sold. And as you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see where it says Apply for Rent-to-Own Lease. You'll click that and it will say Finance Application has been submitted successfully, and you say OK. And now at this point, you will go into the Microf application and complete the 20% that's left of the information that you got to provide for the Microf rent-to-own option. Okay, so now let's talk about how you register your company with Microf with ESS. So once you're registered as a Microf dealer, Microf will have provided you with a user ID and a password. If you will go into your admin section and go to More and then Defaults, and then you're going to see Company Defaults. And if you'll scroll down to about the middle of the page, you're going to see an area where it says Mycroft username and Mycroft password. If you'll enter these in here, that will connect you to the API, the connection between ESS and Microf. So once you've done this, when you start doing proposals, you'll be able to send over the Microf rent-to-own over to Microf application for processing. So this concludes the video on Microf financing.